What's up, everybody? It's Johnny, and I'm back today to talk about the stimulus check and taxes. In today's video, I am talking about the stimulus check tax credit, formerly known as the Recovery Rebate Credit. As always, to keep things clear, concise, and easy to follow, I'm breaking this video down into two parts. In part one, I'm going to define a tax credit. I'm answering the following questions. Does this mean you'll get a separate check? Does this mean you will automatically get a refund on your taxes? You may be surprised by the answers. And in part two, I'm going to explain how to claim the Recovery Rebate Credit on your tax return. If you have not yet seen my last video on unemployment income, specifically the Form 1099-G, pause this video, open up a new tab, and check that one out right now. You will not regret it. Also, please click that subscribe button so you do not miss out on any information that may help you in the future. Alright guys, the stimulus check topic has been a big one. There are many who are still waiting for a stimulus check or have not gotten the full amount of their stimulus check. If you are still waiting for your check or if you did not get the right amount, you are not alone. It has been reported that millions of people that are eligible for the stimulus check have not received one or both of their stimulus checks. Why did this happen? Maybe the IRS made an error, maybe the wrong amount was sent, maybe the check was mistakenly garnished from your pay. Who knows? There are many possibilities. Here's the good news. If you are eligible, you can claim a credit on your tax return for the amount you are entitled to. At this time, let's dive into part one of the video. Let's define what a tax credit is. A tax credit is a dollar-for-dollar reduction on your taxes. This does not mean that you will get a separate check when you file your tax return. This does mean, though, that you may get a larger refund or a smaller tax bill. You heard that right. You may still owe taxes even if you get the Recovery Rebate Credit. The stimulus check tax credit does not guarantee that you will have a refund when you file your taxes. At this time, I'm going to break down a tax return for you all in its simplest form. I'm a visual learner, so I hope this helps you understand what I mean. When you break down a tax return, this really sums it all up. At the top, you have your income, which may be W-2 employee income, or 1099 independent contractor income, or unemployment income. From there, you subtract what are called above-the-line deductions, such as student loan interest or some specific retirement contributions. This takes you to your adjusted gross income. The adjusted gross income is the number that determines whether or not you are eligible for the stimulus check. After calculating your adjusted gross income, you subtract it by the greater of the sum of your itemized deductions or the standard deduction. Itemized deductions include real estate taxes, mortgage interest, out-of-pocket medical expenses, charitable contributions, and more. The standard deduction is a number provided by the government. This leads you to your taxable income. Times your tax rate gives you your tax. After your tax is calculated, you reduce your tax by any credits you are eligible for, such as the Recovery Rebate Credit. Here you can see a credit is a dollar-for-dollar reduction on taxes due. Then, at that point, you have your result, whether it's tax due or a refund. Alright, now let's dive into part two of the video. Let's talk about how to claim the credit on your tax return. First, let's recap some very important dates. February 12th. February 12th is the day the IRS will start accepting and processing tax returns. Tax returns are due by April 15th. The credit will be claimed on your 2020 tax return Form 1040, and the IRS is to provide a Recovery Rebate Credit worksheet to assist in determining whether a payment is missing and for how much. According to the IRS, and I will have a link in the description below, you can refer to Notice 1444, that is 1444, when completing the worksheet to determine if you are eligible to claim the Recovery Rebate Credit. The Notice 1444 should have been received with your economic impact payment otherwise known as your stimulus check, and includes information about the payment, how the payment was made, and how to report any payment that was not received. Alright everyone, stay tuned for my next video, and please leave me a comment if there is something specific that you want me to review. Remember, I am a CPA, but I am not your CPA, and when it comes to your own tax return, always go to your own tax professional for advice. As always, stay healthy, stay sane, and I cannot wait to see you all soon.